Grayson? Sitting up by himself. Want something? And this is May 2nd, 2010, and Grayson can sit up by himself now. He's got the hiccups. It's only a matter of time before he gets ill. Whoa, whoa, here we go. Get back up again. It shocked you, didn't it? Surprised you. Let's do it again. There we go. Get back up. There we go. Getting a book? Look who's back. Daddy's back. Oh, shut up. I haven't taken that many videos. This is only like the second one. I have to capture all the milestones, like sitting up and stuff. Okay, great. All right. Let's sit back up. I haven't seen it. All right. He's getting ill.